This is how you're going to add looping video with text overlay in Shopify. Adding a video background with text makes your store look modern and high-end. So first up, you're going to head over to your admin.shopify.com, and then from here, you're going to look over to the left side of the screen. From here, you're going to click on Online Store under the Sales Channels section. And then from here, you will see this Themes section. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on this Edit Themes at the right side, which looks like a black button. And then from here, you're just going to add a new section called Video or Video Hero. So you can do this by heading over to the left side toolbar once again. And then from here, you're going to head over to the template section. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add section right here, and then you're going to type in video. Now, after that, you're going to click on video right here, and then your video section will be added. Now, once you have your video section added, you're just going to add in or upload your video to this one. Just make sure to keep it short for faster loading, and then we're going to set it to autoplay. But for now, we're going to upload a video first. To do that, we're going to we're going to head over to this left side panel once again. And then in this video section, you're going to click on select. Now from here, you're going to click on upload video. And then from here, we're just going to upload a video that we want to add in here. Now, let's say you already have a video uploaded. What you're going to do is you're going to set it to autoplay. So just make sure that autoplay right here is turned on by toggling this toggle bar. And then from there, you're also going to toggle on this loop video, which actually is already automatically toggled on once you add a video element. Now, from here, we're going to use a text overlay or heading settings within that section to type your message over the video. Now, to add a text to this video, what we're going to do is we're going to head back from the left side panel, just look over here, and then you're going to press the back button so that it will take us to the homepage settings. And then under the template section, you'll be able to see that here, the whole block for video. So all of these are the contents of the video block that we have here. Now, what you're going to do is we're just going to click on Add Blocker here. I'm going to delete this so that you can see how we added. We're going to click on Add Block right here, and then from the search blocks, you're going to click or type in Custom Liquid. Now, from the custom section, you're going to find this Custom Liquid. You're going to click on that, and then from here, you're going to type in the CSS that you need. You can ask ChatGPT or Gemini or any AI assistant that you can or that you want so that it can generate a code for you. But I'm going to use this example code that I also got from Gemini, and then you're going to make sure that you hit on enter so that it will be applied. And now you can just head back, and then from here, if your CSS works, you will be able to find a text right here. And that's it. That is how you're going to add looping video with text overlay and Shopify. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.